How to close Starling bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can close your Starling bank account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you want to close your Starling bank account, for this all you have to do is you have to go ahead and then open up your browser, because you can't delete the bank account yourself. You need to contact the bank. So in the search bar, type in Starling Bank Customer Support. You'll find the first link, which is the contact Starling. So over here, you can just go to that link. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link below. Now over here, you should be able to see a number of reasons as to how you want to contact them, and where you'll also find their number just in case you're eligible over there. So you can see other contacts over here. You can go to make a contact complaint page, or you can also go ahead and start your application. So tap on the start your application here, and then you can go ahead and then simply call them, or simply give them an email telling them that you would like to delete your bank account. This way you will be able to close your Starling bank account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.